Hey, good afternoon. I was doing another job on my Honda Pilot. Checked the spare, it was flat, inflated it, and leaking valve stem. Let's fix this. Okay, so once all the air is out, let's get a valve removal, a core removal tool. Just put it in there till it engages and turn it counterclockwise. Typical right-hand threads. Take it out. Get the valve core out. So now you want to take a pick like this with a right angle tip on the end. Get it in there between the metal and the rubber. And you kind of pull and twist at the same time. I couldn't get it out with this alone, so get a hold of a pair of pliers. And now both at the same time. And it's measuring the opening in the wheel, and it is a standard 7/16 or .453. And these are only a few dollars. And this is an insertion tool. It's about $7. So I'm going to try pushing it in first. And I'm going to use this funnel. I trimmed the end of this with a utility knife so it'll fit the valve hole in the rim, in the wheel. So it fits it pretty much exactly. I've seen this done a few times on, of course, Where Else YouTube video, and get it soaked up a little bit. They seem to get it in there pretty easily, so I'm going to give this a try first. Now there is a tool that's made just for this, to push this valve in, but I don't have one, and I thought, hey, why wouldn't the funnel work? So I'm going to give this a try. You push it through there till it pokes out the other end before you try to engage it. Yeah, see, I can't keep this tool straight. It probably would have been better if I had just a straight push-in tool and that didn't have a joint on it. Okay, it didn't go the first time. Let's try it again. The idea here is you don't have to break the bead and open the tire up. Try it one more time. It's not going quite the way I had hoped. Yeah, this isn't going the way I hoped, so we're going to have to open this tire up and insert it from the inside. So I'm just got to get a tire iron in there and pry it until the bead breaks loose. Okay, so I pried it off the bead with a tire iron here. I can get this up high enough, hopefully, to get a hand underneath there. There. So now we're going to put that screw-on tool onto the valve. I think this is probably the intended way that this tool is supposed to work. And you pull instead of push the valve. So you just kind of pull and wiggle at the same time. Pretty easy. There it is. See if we can get it seated on the bead. Yeah, you might have to take the core out if you can't get the bead to reseat. $26. This bear is supposed to be inflated to 60 psi. And a little bit more to go, and then we'll test it. And there we are. We'll see if it holds after repair test. Well, it passed the soapy water test. Okay, looks good. It held pressure perfectly for a couple days, so we cleaned it up a little bit. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe. I've got more good stuff coming.